All right, Sounds of Decay 2 is Necrowretch's new album, Swords of Decay. Now, I've always been a sucker for French extreme metal, from the bizarre anonymity of Deathspell and Spectre to the terrifying high art of Blut aus Nord. There's just something about bands from this region. There's an air of spookiness, uniqueness, and overall fascinating quality. Enter the long-running and gloriously monikered black and death metal outfit Necrowretch, yet another late-to-the-party discovery by yours truly. Swords of Jajal is the band's fifth full-length record since forming way back in 2008, packing in 8 way too quick strikes of gloriously evil racket in a scant 38 minutes. There's all manner of exotic deities, both pagan and non, with names like Imid Jason, Dajjal, and Ngiro Zagazem, as well as serpents, dogs, and cloven hooves, in what appears to be an all-out at war with Satan style concept album depicting hell's uprising and defeat of all things pure and angelic. Sadly, there's not a song called Arg, but otherwise, these four have ticked all the necessary boxes, unleashing nothing short of pure sonic hellstorm.
This may be the evilest thing I've heard so far in 2024. This album is packed with raspy witch cackles, hard pan, tremolo-picked riffing, and massive rolling blast beats from percussionist Nicholas Ferraro. Creepy, clean-picked, tri-turny arpeggios pop up at random intervals to marvelous effect. It seems almost silly to talk about standout tracks because this short record packs such a consistent wallop, but D. Maury is definitely worth a mention. A blinding hodgepodge of hard-chugging riffs and Inquisition-style sinister jangles. Vocalist Vlad, just Vlad apparently, shrieking damnations like thundering sorcery, show salad B to cast thy flames. Another one I keep returning to is Deva, a quick burn instrumental track under 3 minutes in length that manages to blend hooky clean melody against aggro drumming and dissection-informed riffage. Shame on me for not discovering these guys sooner, but I plan to make up for it by hitting their back catalog hard. That was our Vlad, by the way. He heard Vlad.
I just had to bonk him in the head.
I think he thought we were calling it. So anyway, we're going to play a song. This is Total Obliteration.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.